on my last video when I talked about everything you need to know about random modules. In this video, I'm going to just do a basic introduction using random modules or random libraries in Python. So we're going to generate just a float of number ranging from 0 to 1. How can we do that? We're going to make is random provide us a function which is called random. What this doesn't take any input. This is automatically going to generate a range of number from float. It's going to be a float type from 0 to 1 max. So let's print out this, and so we can see it on the screen. Let's say print. So let me run this. You can see here I get this 0.219515. If I run it again, you can see 0.07. If I keep on running it over and over and over, no matter amount of time I run, the highest you can get to is just 1. And to get 1 is really hard for you to see this 1. If you run it at least 100 times, you might be lucky to get 1. 200 times, lucky to get 1. But don't know that number that ranges the number that is going to display to us is going to be ranges from 0 to 1 max. It can never exceed this. So this is just basically what this random function does, just to generate a sequence of number from 0. Let me close this. From 0 to 1 is with the help of this random function. So that's just basically what I want us to look at in this video. Now, next video, we're going to do we're going to set a random particular range of number that we want our output to be targeted on, because right now this is useless right now, because we can, if we say that let's situation we want to get range of number from 5 to 8, there's no way we can make this for example. We can't make use of this because we don't know we didn't set a particular range of number that we're expecting. So now next video, we're going to make use of another function in random libraries to do this. So this should be the I've come to the end for this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like and share. It's not going to take money for your pocket. So I think I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.